Hello, good morning, my dear students. I hope you are doing well at home. So, today we are going to start a first chapter of class 8 science, which is crop production and management by your new science teacher Sonali Thakkar. Hope you will enjoy it. So, we all know about the crop production and how to manage the farming things. So these days, as you must be aware, that what is most important in our daily life and routine is the food, as we all are locked down at our home. But what is most important thing that we have noticed is nothing else but the food. So where does this food come from? Who prepares? How it is stored? Let's just talk about all of this in the next slide. So first, basically, what is crop? So crop is something like that we plant of same kind of wheat or bajra or rice, which are grown and cultivated at one place on a larger scale, that is known as crop. So something like you might be traveling by road or by train or by some other ways, and when you see in your surroundings, you might see the green lush gardens, green lush fields. So this all are the agriculture soil on which farmers work so hard to produce and to prepare a crop of our desires. So basically this crop is of two types. So we have categorized our crop in India with the two major category. The first category is the Kharif crop and the second category is Rabi crop. Now let's discuss what you mean by Kharif crop. So the crops which are sown in the rainy season. Now you all know the rainy season in India lasts from June to September till October. So whichever crops are sown in this season during this period of time are called the Kharif crops. So let's see the examples which are the Kharif crop. So paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton, basically all kinds of seeds and protein rich crops are sown during monsoon season, and so they are categorized under Kharif crop. Another major important category of crop is Rabi crop. So the crop which are grown in the winter season are called the Rabi crop. Now you know the winter season starts from November and lasts till February. So during this period of time, whichever crops are grown in this season, they are known as Rabi crop. Their examples are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. So majorly all the groceries or the grain, they are grown during this period of time. So here we started with the first, what you mean by crop. So what is crop? Crop is something that you grow on a larger area or larger scale. So not individual plant. आपके घर के आसपास you might be having some plants or pots. So that is not crop. What is crop? Crop is something that you grow on the larger scale or larger area. That is called the crop. And majorly we divide our crops into two categories. The first is Kharif, which is which are the crop grown during the rainy season, and the second category is the Rabi crop, which are grown during the winter season. I hope you have understood this so far. Now let's go to the next slide. So here let's start which are the basic practices of crop production. Like if you imagine now you are a farmer, let's imagine that you are a farmer. So being farmer, what you all need to do to prepare a crop. So these are the steps one by one a farmer has to follow to create or to make a proper, good, healthy crop. So what is the first step you can see here is preparation of soil. Now it is very basic thing. At your home, if you want to prepare something, your mama want to prepare some dish, she has to prepare all raw ingredients first. So anything in life you want to create to the final destination, you need to prepare for that, you need to plan out for that. So similarly, farmers do plan that how they are going to grow a crop. So for that they need to check the soil, they need to check the moisture, they need to check the nutrients and everything that is required by that particular crop is present there or not in the soil. So the first is the most important step, which is the preparation of soil. Then the second step is sowing. So sowing is something like, once you have checked your soil, everything is ready, everything is prepared. Now the second most important step comes in farmers' routine is they need to implant the seed. Now this seed implant is not only 1, 2, 5, but they are in thousands. They have to make sure that whatever the seeds are, they have to sow them properly with the interval of distance, with the proper distance and with the proper procedure. So these steps require lot of technique and patience. Third step, now you know that now we will compare this procedures with our daily procedures. Suppose you are planting a tree at home, okay, then what you do, you will make sure that your plant which is growing will get all enough amount of food in a way that it has all the nutrients in the soil in your pot. So similarly, when you are growing a crop on the larger area or the larger field, you have to make sure that your soil is with full of nutrients and full of all required materials. So the farmers will check which materials are required, which nutrients are deficient. So it will add all those nutrients in the form of manure, which is compost, or in the form of chemicals, which is also called the fertilizers. Now after 3 major important steps, now farmer have to make sure that its crop or its field get proper amount of water. So this watering the plant in a proper way is called the irrigation. So farmers may apply or may use a different methods of irrigation, whichever is suitable and convenient to him, as well as availability of water in that particular region. So after irrigation, he will have to make sure that this plants or crops which are growing, they are well protected. You must have seen certain objects kept in the farms, because they want to make sure that their crop which is growing so fast should not get damaged with the help of any other insect, reptile. You might have heard of teed, that many a time this kind of birds, they fly and they spoil the growing crop, which may lead to a disappointment and damage to the farmers. So they have to protect the crop from all this unwanted thing, which includes the weeds. Now weed is unwanted plant which might grow along with the wanted plant. After all this hurdle, now what the farmer is going to do? Once his crop is ready, he will wait for the suitable time, and after that he will harvest the crop. Now harvesting is what? Removing seeds from the crop and then cleaning it. So they wait for certain season, and this harvesting is also celebrated in our country with the form of different festivals like Lohri, Pongal, etc. After that, now he has harvested all the crops, he has harvested all the seeds. Now he has to give this crop or this seeds to the market yard, where it is been stored by the government people for the further delivery part and for further usage. So these are the basic steps are involved in the basic practice of crop production. I hope you have understood about this all technique, but this were just an introduction. We will discuss about all these techniques in very much detail in our next slide. Hope you will enjoy.